How to tie a black belt. Key thing is to make sure the belt ends up with your downgrade on the correct side. It should be on the left hand side. First of all, fold the belt in half by placing the two ends of the belt together. You've now found the centre point of the belt. With the grade side coming out on your left, place the centre point in the middle of the back. The downgrade on the left, your left hand side. Bring the belt to the centre. The right side of the belt placed over the left. Then tucked underneath. Check the fit, either loosen or pull so it feels that it's snug and in place. The part of the belt that went underneath, now place that part on top of the other half of the belt. You create a circle, and that part that's on top, tuck through the circle and pull sideways. When you finish, your downgrade will be on your left hand side as opposed to the right. How to tie a black belt. Thank you.